Welcome to Cooking with Leslie. So today we're going to be making Ritz cracker chicken casserole. So the first step, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You need to boil a pot of water because you need to boil your chicken before you put it into your casserole. So boiling the water. Then you're going to open up a can of cream of chicken soup. This is for a half recipe, by the way. So for a half recipe, you're going to put 1 can of cream of chicken soup in with 250 mils of sour cream. It calls for 4 ounces, which is basically this amount, so it's close enough to it. Put a cat in between. And then we need to grate some cheese because we need to put in the recipe some shredded cheddar cheese. So I'm just gonna eyeball it to not waste a dish. And the water is boiling. She does? So now I'm going to throw the chicken in. And I'm going to add more cheese because it's not very cheesy looking. More scraping of cheese, but in the meantime, I want a fork so that I can push this chicken in so that it actually cooks. Probably could use a bigger pot, but it will be fine. Don't do that.
We're using the big element for the small pot.
Make it cook faster?
This one doesn't cook faster.
Yes, it does. It doesn't need to fully cook anyways because it's going to cook more in the actual casserole. It's just to make it not raw. More cheese. This should be a good enough amount. Now, yeah, that's a good amount. Where you can actually see the cheese and it's not just cream. Alright, one more step before we start layering everything into the casserole dish. You're going to take some margarine on a piece of paper towel and you're just going to rub the inside of your baking dish so that it prevents it from sticking a little bit more because we don't want a hot mess to clean up afterwards. Make sure you get all the sides of it. Just a light layer. You shouldn't really be able to see it, but just enough to grease it slightly. There we go. Now we're going to start layering everything into the actual dish. So I am just using these Uncle Ben's Bistro Express rice just because then we don't have to boil rice as well as the chicken. So I'm just going to use a fork to just spread all the rice out, make it an even layer. This isn't part of the recipe, but I'm adding it to this recipe because last time we all kind of agreed that it could use a bit of corn in it. So about a half a container or so of the 341 size containers. Step that aside. And I'm just going to cut up the chicken into the mixture and just rip it. I don't even need to cut it, just rip it into the chicken. Very hot. Mix it all together. Doesn't it look delicious? And then we're going to throw it in the casserole dish. I'm going to spread this out and see if I need this last little bit that's in here. Okay, now I need to add the Ritz crackers. So this calls for sleeves of them because I guess in the US they use sleeves. And I'm not really sure how much a sleeve is necessarily, so I'm gonna do about half. And then go from there because there's no point in wasting a bunch of crackers that we can eat. That's about good. Final step before it goes in the oven is to just put on a layer of cheese on the top. So this is going to go crispy and be a yummy topping for the casserole. It's going to go in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. Et voila! Here is the final product, the Ritz cracker chicken casserole.